Hello everyone, a review of the mobile phone ZTE Nubia NEO. Let's go to its unpacking. Open the box. And look at the configuration for this smartphone. Version 8.256 in yellow. Powered by Dubverse. In the envelope we have documentation, warranty card and a transparent silicone cover. The smartphone itself is in a plastic wrap. Here's how it all looks. Here we have a charger for 22 watts. Here's another box, it's empty. Here is only a clip with a clip. And in this box, as I understand it, a USB Type-C cable. Powered by Dubverse. And now let's open the film. Powered by Dubverse. This is a gaming device. I personally do not like this design. This is a gaming phone for entertainment and games. On the right is the volume button. At the bottom is the Type-C port, microphone, and headphone port. On the left is the slot, let's open it. Powered by Dubverse. Without a slot for microSD. But we have 256 gigabytes of memory. And the film is on the screen of the device. Let's turn it on. Not a very pleasant vibration. Here is such an interesting animation. All downloaded. Let's continue. Turned on, downloaded. Here we have a special launcher and a special theme. All icons in the style of the back cover. I do not know how it will be in the black version of the smartphone. Because the black version is all black and gray. Without yellow. And here are the icons with yellow. I do not know how it will be in the black version. Powered by Dubverse. Powered by Dubverse. The classic theme looks more interesting. This is called a bright theme. Let's just put the standard Android. Applied, this is how it looks better for me. And there is a theme from the standard, which is in the settings. And the classic theme. Classic ZTE, as I understand it. Let's see how it looks. And this is how the icons look. Not bad either. Powered by Dubverse. But this is a matter of taste. Also set up without an additional menu. Android, this can also be changed in the settings. but by default, it will be set up in the desktop. Like an iPhone. I like this setting more. Powered by Dubverse. All programs are located. And there are no separate menus. Let's go to the settings. System iOS 13. And Android version 13. Powered by Dubverse. Let's go to Geekbench 6. CPU Unisoc 4.3.1, 2.3, 2.7, and 2.2 GHz clock rate. Let's go to Antutu benchmark. CPU model. CPU model Unisoc T820. 450,000, excellent result. For such a smartphone, for such a price. The same here. Benchmarks are very good. Not inexpensive, but a gaming smartphone. It fully justifies. PUBG is one of the most demanding games. Unfortunately, it is overloaded. RAM is not left. Powered by Dubverse. Just to show you. Powered by Dubverse. Loading settings maximum and ultra. Settings in PUBG are very good. This is probably the best smartphone at this price. Powered by Dubverse. I added brightness. It dropped to a minimum. Close PUBG. It works at a very good level. Brightness dropped again. Turn off auto brightness. Launcher for ZTE is not bad. Big icons. Let's see. I like it less. Let's go back. Turn it off. It's better. ZTE has a good browser settings. Let's listen to the speakers. On this phone. Not bad. Not bad. For this price. Let's see the camera. Powered by Dubverse. Video mode. Full HD 30 frames per second. The camera does not write. The video is not very good. Camera modes. The camera is average. Even slightly below. The main advantage is its performance. You can work on the maximum settings. I did not even meet better. Big frames. Camera drops. Like a budget smartphone. But if you need a phone purely for games, it will be a good choice. Launcher is SOSO. Cameras are SOSO. Thank you for watching. Bye.